Hello guys, how are you? This is Gio. Today is 26th of March 2013. Long time no see. Do apologize, I was extremely busy last 3 months. And I'm back now in the sense of dedicating full time to trading again, one more time. As you can see, today's well, by the end of the this week, we're going to have 51st week from the beginning of this particular account, which we started with 30,000. As you can see, our performance still is above 83%, which is fine, and I know that within next 2-3 weeks it's gonna be in the range of 90%, and of course all my work is documented and recorded. So please visit my website, zarcapitallimited.com, in order for you to see all my performance and what we do and how we do it. Okay, so let's have a look today at US dollar. And let's see what's happening. First, let's get into crisis, which is raging in Europe, especially tiny islands in Mediterranean, Cyprus. Apparently, banks to remain closed until Thursday. The maximum you can withdraw from ATM is 100 euros, which is ridiculous. Well, it's unfortunate that those who have over 100,000 euros will be taxed at around 40%. I personally think that's robbery in the daylight. It's a theft. I don't understand why there is no revolution at the moment happening in Cyprus and heads are not rolling. But it's their business. It's their sovereign country or island, so to speak, which Cypriots need to sort it out. Unfortunately, it's a tiny country, and personally, I think the whole crisis thing being blown out of proportion. Statistically speaking and economically speaking, Cyprus only contributes to EU, well, European Economic Zone, 0.2% from the whole GDP, which is really tiny. Population of about 1 million, 1 million people, and I don't know, all these years they've been hiding billions of illicit funds, starting with drug cartels in South Africa and famous Russian oligarchs. But hey, what goes around comes around. So let's have a look at fundamental news. Today we had French consumer confidence has slipped from 86 to 84, which is not good. Anyway, French millionaires and multi-billionaires are running away. They're leaving the country due to crazy luxurious taxes which have been applied to rich citizens, which is another thing which is a personal thing is immoral and socialistic. A little bit of that sort of approach is wrong. Also, we should expect consumer confidence in United States and new home sales. Tomorrow, with regards of us Brits, we have GDP expected to be at around 0.3%, which is really ridiculous. I mean, to talk about zeros and 1%, and we've been lagging in the last 5 years, which is ridiculous. Economically speaking, for any developed country to function and develop properly in economical sense of the term, you need at least 4.5% of growth. We haven't seen that for almost 5 years, and as I said before all this so-called economists came out recently and they said, oh, don't expect anything happening for the next 5-7 years. I would say don't expect anything great happening for another 10 years. On Thursday, 28th, unemployment data will be coming out from Germany at 5 to 9. They expect the rate to be at 6.9, but I personally think that it might be worse because the behemoth is slowing down. I mean, if the system is collapsing around you, you cannot be island on your own, so you would be affected as well in one way or another. Okay, let's get back to technical now analysis. Let's have a look at what's happening with Euro US dollar. And as you know, we're in a business not to predict anything. We use analyze data and we anticipate price movements and where the price should be, where it should get, and what should happen when it gets there. At the moment, you can see I've got 3 orders put in place at 50,000 each. They generate at 30%, 30 pips profit. That's around £100, which is fine. We're not in a rush. We're moving slowly, but at least the most important thing what we do is we do not lose the deposit. And please do visit my website. And as you can see from my 51st week of performance, we're still nicely in very, very good and comfortable area. Okay, we see that price is below 100 moving average and 200 moving average, which is at the moment still bearish. But if we look at daily, this is what was happening starting from October. Price bottomed out here, then we had all the huge period of growth to 37.13, let's say 37.10, and then price has dropped. Price did drop nicely in the range of, let's see how many pips. We're looking at about 893 pips. Okay, we see resistance in this area here, 29.42. Also, it's gonna be resistance 1, and I did put here 29.51, just giving extra 2-3 pips. If that's not gonna hold, now one is 30.21 or 30 area, definitely will be selling in that area. But as you can see, my limit here in this range will be double, 60 pips take profits. On the downside, support 1 also coincides with 27.69, and another important support level will be 27 itself. It's going to be Fibonacci 128, but that's not important. We're not looking into that much. Price is going to just stupidly drop because all negative news been processed, analyzed there, and also implemented into the price. So all these things we have negativity. Okay, it dropped. Okay, we have almost 900 pips. Price nicely dropped, and we just should expect nice recovery. Will it happen today or tomorrow? We'll see. Also depends on US economy, fundamentally speaking. Anyway, guys, I'm really happy to be back, excited. In the near future, in the next 6 months' time, here in London, I'm going to be organizing seminars where we'll be teaching newcomers and those who are interested how to trade and how to make a living out of trading. Anyway, guys, thank you very much, and thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.